Hey everyone, how's everybody doing today? This is Tuesday morning and we just want to do a quick little update vlog type video and let you know how we're doing, what our plans are, and what we've got coming up for a future video. Marie, I'll let you go first, sweetie.
I'm doing a lot better. I had to go yesterday and get a steroid shot for a reaction that I had to a medicine that I was allergic to. And I still have a few complications from it, but I'm a lot better. That shot really helped.
And I can tell the difference. I can vouch. She's really feeling a lot better this morning.
They got me on prednisone too, and so that stuff tastes just terrible.
It does. Okay, and we're planning on doing this afternoon a video that we're going to put out Wednesday evening, and it's Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. And we hadn't decided if Marie's going to cook them or if I'm going to cook them. We cooked them about a week or so ago, and we really enjoyed them. So
and you do have to use the thin sliced cube steak because the thick ones, they just wouldn't work for this.
That's true. And and so also this afternoon we have a video coming out about 6 o'clock this evening, and y'all probably noticed that in a lot of our videos I play some music and the words are "The Beauty Lives in Me."
That is a beautiful song.
Yes, it is. And a lot of people just asked, what's the name of the song? Who sang it? They want to know about it. So I did the entire song on one video. And for the video part of it, I'm showing our granddaughter's dog Gus, and he's a border collie. And she got him when he was a little baby. And the video shows pictures of him from the time from the first day she got him all the way up to the present. And right at the very end, it shows pictures of him with Kimberly's baby, Addison. So Gus and Addison are in the same picture. And so I think it's a real cute little video. If you watch it, be sure and leave us a thumbs up on it and comment and let us know how you like that.
Yeah.
Okay, the main thing we want to show in this video, we have a surprise package. Now we knew this was coming. It's been in the mail for probably week and a half, okay? And it had a long trip. It came from California. And so here's the box. It's a pretty good sized box. And if you look real close, you'll notice up here on the top, it's dented in just a little bit. I would say about an inch that it's dented in. Probably where something heavy sat on top of it. It has Fragile written all over it. But I gave it a little shake and it sounded okay, so I think it's going to be okay. What we're going to do with this box, we're going to take it down to our granddaughter's house because one of the presents in there is for her baby, and then the other present is for either Marie or Marie and I or whatever. But we're going to open it up and find out exactly what it's in there. We don't know what it is, but we know who it's for. And so when we take this down there and open it, it'll be several days from now. We will do a video and we'll give you an update on this video here. Okay, so that's all we're going to have for this little short video. Is that it, Marie, or anything else?
I just want to say thank you to all of our viewers, and also we're praying for everyone that was in the path of the hurricane, and we're just getting some rain right now, but later on this evening they said it could get a little rough.
Yeah.
But anyway, we just are praying for all of y'all.
So we'll be doing a video this evening as long as our power don't go off, right?
Right.
Also on this package, I forgot to mention, I didn't tell who sent it to us, okay? We're saving that for when we open the package. I just wanted to show it today so that when she sees this video, she'll see the package and know we got it, okay? This is a new style of video. We like doing our regular cooking videos. We try to do one on a Monday night, Wednesday night, and Friday night of each week.
Yeah.
But we also would like to do some little updates during the other parts of the week and sort of let you know what we're doing and what's going on and what we're planning. And if you like this style of video, leave us a comment and let us know if you like this style of video. What do you feel? How do you feel about it, Marie?
Oh, I always like those thumbs ups.
Okay, thumbs up. Let's see if this video can get 100 thumbs up. Can we do that?
I think we can.
Okay. Okay, everyone. Y'all have a great day. and we'll see you on the next video.
Bye. And I got a little ahead of myself, but y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see you in the next video. And I already said bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see from up here.